Second, don't rely on shortcuts or quick fixes or silver bullet. Okay, I'm aware some things can solve your pain right now, but beware, some of these things are more like a crutch or a band-aid. So it's supposed to help you only as long as you need it. So in the bigger picture, what helps is all the little and big things that you do. There's no silver bullet, no ultimate blueprint or recipe. So look for holistic and long-term approach and do small but consistent steps. What this means is that you need diligence and patience before positive changes take root in your life. For that to happen, you got to take the lead and actively create your own journey, not only in your mind, but actually taking the steps.